my breakfast dessert.
As you guys know, we're makers. We love to make things. So when we travel, we look for these experiences where we get to go out and use our hands and learn something new. Good morning, hello from Tokyo. Welcome back to Drawbridge Pups and Armory. My name's Levi, this is Kareen. And we're headed off on an exciting adventure today.
The western part of Tokyo City. It's about an hour-and-a-half train ride away. And a woman is going to pick us up at a Mr. Donut. And then we're going to go to her house and learn how to do some Japanese calligraphy this afternoon.
And udon.
Oh, and udon. And we learned how to make udon noodles and we'll be eating them too, I think.
This is Shinjuku, and I'm like disappointed because this train, it's supposed to be no pants day today, January 12th. I've got my like nice looking boxers on, I was all ready for it, and there's nobody else not wearing pants, so I'm not going to be the only one not wearing pants. Yes, I'm still wearing my pants. The train travel here is unbelievably easy. Everything's color coded and numbered, so even if you can't read Japanese, it's really simple to follow along. It's the craziest thing. There's a few bikes here. Mr. Donut, where you can get a whole bunch of weird food. Is that good?
Doesn't really taste that much, does it?
Why are we eating this?
Because it looks good.
I'm ready.
Really, really bad at this.
We don't really know who won.
I think it was me. Because I got so many in that it went into an error.
Right.
Like it just could not take it anymore.
All right, well, May's picked us up. We're in her car and we're about to head over. She seems lovely so far.
This is the first Titanic I've ever watched.
Oh, you're first?
And then this is Tokonoma. This is for especially New Year's. When you hold the brush, please keep vertical. Try to write upper right, moving slowly.
I think I'm just a little bit too heavy on my ink. Yeah, I try to do this at home after this. Impossible.
You can put brush here on the newspaper and put another newspaper on top of that and repeat it.
Okay, thank you.
I think it gets more difficult the more we do it.
Yeah, I have to do this one actually. Yeah. So first I was like, ooh.
I'm like, oh, I got this. No.
Yeah.
There's a certain amount of speed you kind of have to do it with as well.
This part is good, very nice.
I'm a fancy paper.
Love it. Good job.
Good. You did
Good
it.
job. Will you hold it up?
Very nice. Kind of like a child. No.
It's beautiful.
Yes, thanks,
pick out my initials.
Yes.
Good job. It's perfect.
This means eternal.
Beautiful.
This is udon flour. Wheat flour? Wheat, yes. Yeah, okay.
Oh, amazing. I have like the sumo advantage here.
Slippery. And then pork.
Do they do this in restaurants?
I don't think so.
You never know, right?
Yeah, you never know. Like that?
Yes. And then push.
Do we cut as fine as we can? You have to get one of those to take home.
This is cute. This is heavy for me.
Take one of the later.
It's my turn. Are yours done? All right.
Yes.
Thank you. So I just pop it in there.
Yes.
So sticky.
Yeah. Okay. And then straight back. Yummy.
Oh, good job. Hot water or cold water?
Cold water.
Thank you. My noodles were too thin, so we had to cook them for last time. They only got 2.5 minutes.
She made dashi soup from the bonito and seaweed.
And that's traditional udon.
It's because my husband made.
Oh, those are fish.
Yeah.
Eggs.
Yeah. I'll just put that in there.
What's happening?
Awesome. Real pizza?
What the
Nice. Oh, so beautiful.
Nice.
I have no idea what I'm putting in here. How much do I put in? Like,
Yeah.
no, less than that.
It's
Like
okay.
that?
Yes.
Find my thin noodles here. Definitely gonna have to get some of these udon pots. I'm so excited.
Really crunchy.
Looks good. Looks hot.
It's not too bad.
Hey. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.